What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Amolen Silk PLA Dual in black pink. Uh, this is the second time that I've checked out Amolen. I do like their interesting bag where it's half plastic, half mylar, which is really fascinating to me, just as an aesthetic choice. It comes up with these nice little tabs. I think it is very nice in that regard, and it is resealable, which is always a plus to see. Especially if you're a new user kind of thing, new to the hobby, it does help. Anyway, this is the black side and this is the pink side. And again, this is not a trick of the camera or anything like that. This is what's happening in my eyes. So yeah, this is something really interesting. And anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the filament dryer for at least 6 hours, and I'll see you at the benchy. All right, so here's the benchy. There's not really a great way to kind of describe the color in the Bamboo Studios. Anyway, we got the generic stuff printed out. We got the, should take a little over an hour, that type of thing. All right, so here are the test prints that we have. Again, this is the generic benchy. This is PLA Silk, or Silk PLA, excuse me. I keep doing that. And again, you got this nice dual color effect of black pink and black to pink kind of thing. So looks great. No, like a couple of minor issues with stringing and some of those overhangs, that kind of thing. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This one's 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. And again, all this is happening in real life. It's very much that shifting colors between black and pink. But anyway, real nice 40 by 45 40 millimeter cubed. Next up, we have the temp tower, and as you can see, there was some issues with the raft that was printed on it. So for this one, I believe that the best temperature was 210. This one had the least amount of globbing and stringing, as you can see there, for the spike itself. So I'd probably recommend going a little bit hotter with 210 than I would typically with PLA. If I can keep it up there. So the retraction test did have a little bit of stringing. Again, this does illustrate the dual color effect of black and pink. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. And for this one turned out very well. Again, this is, 28 millimeters cubed per second. No real issues there. So yeah, it was relatively fast. Next up, the overhang test. The overhang test succeeded. Again, though, as you got a little bit closer to 80, I'd recommend putting in supports just as a precaution, especially if you're working with anything with extreme geometries or anything like that. This is a PLA silk, so I wouldn't recommend doing any sort of functional parts, just as more for aesthetics and decoration, that kind of thing. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted the benchy. And as you can see, there's less stringing. There's a nice shift in the colors there. Everything like that, it looks pretty good. So you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $17 at time of filming, which is actually, pretty good for a dual color silk PLA. My overall thoughts, I do like Amolen. One of the things, it does offer some unique color combinations. This was the black pink that I kind of first one that I saw, so I was a fan, and it helps illustrate kind of the dual color thing. Anyway, this has been Amolen's Silk PLA in pink, black pink. If you're into 3D printing, I'd appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, all the nice YouTube things. It does help the channel. And I've been Higgins with Legal Automations, so I hope to see you back here on the next episode. Thanks.